Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get email from TikTok or how to get email notification on your TikTok account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your TikTok account. After that, what you want to do is click on this three dot which is on the top right corner of your screen. Now click on settings. After that, click on notification. Now, scroll all the way down until you find email notifications. Just click it. Now, from here, you just have to click this checkbox and all the email notification will be enabled and the email will be sent to your TikTok. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.